To put things in perspective, let's get this straight. Since the very beginning, there has been a buzzing anticipation that the price of XRP reaching a historic $10,000 was not just a possibility, but an inevitability. And what do you think? This prognosis has just been given a significant boost. With regard to this matter, we are discussing none other than Larry Fink, who is affiliated with Blackrock, lending his support. Think about this. In his discussion, he is not merely referring to a meager $10,000 per XRP. I'm sorry to say that he is referring to it as a fundamental requirement. What's up, Shiba Inu country? Hello, and welcome to your one-stop shop for anything related to XRP. Before we dive into the meat of today's content, let's take a moment to brief ourselves on the situation. A simple favor is something I need from you. In order to become a part of our incredible community, you should go ahead and hit that like button, click the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. I also wanted to give everyone a heads up that, as we get closer to the 60,000 subscriber threshold, we are getting ready to host a fantastic XRP giveaway. There is no difficulty associated in participating in the giveaway. Only 3 easy steps need to be followed. Therefore, make sure that you are prepared and tuned in. Additionally, in order to ensure that you are eligible for the contest, be sure to use the hashtag MoneySide in the comments section. Now we're getting to the juicy part. Imagine for a moment if titans of finance such as BlackRock and Vanguard are suddenly giving serious consideration to using XRP for their international transactions. Hold on, things are going to get better. Reportedly, BlackRock is planning to develop an exchange-traded fund, ETF that is centered on XRP. Indeed, you did hear that correctly. But hold on, there's plenty more. This is not the end of Larry Fink's story. According to him, the enormous real estate market is worth $30 trillion. Can you predict what the most important aspect of its future is? You have it right. This is the XRP ledger, which is prepared to tokenize the entire thing. And with an astounding $1, 2 quadrillion coming from the International Swaps and Traders Association, which is going to be transferred through the XRP ledger and RippleNet. In this context, we are not simply referring to $10,000 per XRP. That's what children do. According to some estimates, the value of 1 XRP might climb to as high as $60,000. It's incredible, isn't it? Alright, let's go on to the following section. And another bombshell was dropped by Larry Fink, who works at Blackrock. Rather than merely uttering words, he is acting. In the process of tokenizing everything, Ripple and its digital asset XRP are on the verge of accomplishing something monumental. Additionally, we have a clip that is going to grab people's attention in the following segment of our video. The move toward an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF, would be confirmed by Larry Fink himself. Therefore, let's not stay here any longer. Here is the video clip that you have been anticipating. Include the fact that a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, is an illustration of how we are legitimizing it. More security is being created by us. Listen to what I have to say. Are you going to try another TF? Why not an exchange-traded fund, ETF for XRP? I am aware that you have Ether in circulation. But what about XRP? Are you able to explain that? Not at all. Also, you do not want me to do that. Yes, I am. No, I am unable to. Okay, don't give me the short end of the stick. Over the past few days, we have been witness to a tornado of phenomena in the cryptocurrency world, particularly with regard to XRP. Think about this. The value of XRP skyrocketed on the cryptocurrency exchange known all around the world, Crypto.com, reaching an astounding high of $43,000. Certainly, this is not a one-time occurrence. Additionally, it is a part of a rising trend in which the value of XRP abruptly surges. Just last week, we talked about a malfunction that occurred at a large exchange that caused XRP to be worth $7,000. At this point, it is the turn of Crypto.com. Furthermore, It appears that these abrupt increases in the value of XRP are becoming a common occurrence across a variety of platforms. Nevertheless, let us shift our focus to something new, something that I discovered via extensive study that is equally exciting, despite the fact that it is unconnected to Blackrock or the overall boom in the XRP market. Gary Gensler, the well-known head of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, who succeeded Jake Clinton, is the subject of our discussion. In a consistent manner, Gensler classifies XRP as a security, which the majority of you may already be aware of. This is when things start to get interesting. An amazing likeness exists between Gary Gensler and his identical twin brother, Robert M. Gensler. Both brothers are the same age and share the same appearance. At T. Rowe Price, where he is currently serving as vice president, Robert is a significant player. Now, if you dig a little deeper, you will discover that T. Rowe Price is significantly different from any other investment organization. In addition to XRP, it is one of the major players that has made significant investments in Bitcoin and Ethereum. As a result, there is an intriguing relationship here. In spite of the fact that Gary Gensler, who is currently in charge of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC continues to classify XRP as a security, his twin brother is significantly involved in an investment firm that is a large investor in XRP as well as other cryptocurrencies. This is a fascinating juxtaposition that brings up quite a few concerns regarding the complex dynamics that are at play in the realm of cryptocurrency rules and investments. The enticing possibility is brought to our attention by this. Is it possible that Robert Gensler, the vice president of T. Rowe Price, has access to confidential information regarding the potential of XRP, which is comparable to that of Bitcoin and Ethereum? When you take into consideration the considerable investments that the company has made in these three cryptocurrencies, this idea begins to gain traction. Even while the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, explicitly rejects any idea of insider trading, various reports and investigations have revealed that this is not the case. Throughout the course of these investigations, which have focused on market manipulation and insider trading, questionable behaviors within the SEC have been brought to light on multiple occasions. It would appear that a pattern is beginning to emerge. Officials from the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, appear to be informing their family about which digital assets may soon be exempt from being classified as securities. The early investment is made by these relatives. The value of the asset skyrockets when it is formally declared to be non-security, which enables these family members and friends to make a substantial profit by purchasing the item at a low price and selling it at a high valuation. Regarding the potential loss that the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, could incur as a result of a lawsuit against XRP, let us take into consideration the probability that Robert N. Gensler gained access to confidential information from his brother, Gary Gensler. Considering that such facts might imply that Congress might try to press for a settlement between Ripple Labs and the SEC now, is an excellent opportunity for those who are knowledgeable about investing to get their hands on XRP. An additional dimension is added to this narrative by the fact that T. Rowe Price is increasingly investing his money in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most importantly XRP. Notable analysts who have been optimistic on XRP, such as Jack the Rippler, forecast an enormous growth in its value, potentially